Welcome to this course, Angular for Java Developers. In this course, we're going to talk about what it takes to build applications using Angular and Java on the back end. So in this lesson, I want to talk a little bit about the prerequisites, the goals, and objectives for this entire course. So first off, prerequisites. We're going into this assuming you at least have some knowledge of Angular and Spring Boot. We couldn't possibly teach you everything there is to know about each of these and then talk about how to build applications using both of them. So coming into this, we hope you have some knowledge in both Angular and Spring Boot. Let's talk about goals. So what are we going to do in this course? Well, first we're going to start off by walking you through building a sample application in both Angular and Spring Boot, and then talk about what it takes to kind of put the two together. After that, we'll dive into a way that we can kind of make that whole process a little bit faster, and that's by using JHipster. JHipster is a wonderful tool that allows us to rapidly develop our Spring Boot and Angular applications. So we'll talk about what JHipster is and why you would want to use it. Then we'll teach you how to build some different types of JHipster applications. Finally, at the end of this course, we're going to have some fun and we're going to build a real-world production application. You're going to see us take some functional requirements from a client and then talk about those and turn them into actual technical requirements. And what we'll do is we'll start to walk through those technical requirements, and from there we'll build out a model. We'll build out the UI, the business logic, and even go through testing our source code. Finally, we're not going to stop there. We're actually going to walk through how we would deploy this application in the real world. So I think as an objective, what you're going to get out of this course is you're going to see us walk through building a real-world application. And from that, what we hope you take away from this is you'll be able to build real-world Angular and Spring Boot applications on your own. So I'm real excited about this course. I hope you are too. And why wait any longer? Let's jump right in.